Welcome to this short introduction to our capital model. The Risk Control Capital Model is a powerful and highly flexible portfolio modeling framework. It supplies rigorously calculated risk statistics for multi-asset portfolios over different holding periods. Examples of questions one may answer using the capital model are: how much capital should be held against a particular portfolio? If I securitize part of my portfolio, how will this affect my capital? What is the value of a complex structured exposure that depends on an underlying credit portfolio? What is the interest rate or exchange rate risk associated with a book of credit exposures? The capital model permits the user to answer these and other questions under a wide range of different scenarios. Multiple types of exposures can be modeled using the software: credit default swaps, counterparty exposures, equity, fixed rate exposures, structured exposures and tranches, floating rate exposures, indices, profiles, property exposures, and swaps.
Now, we are going to show how to run a simulation in the capital model. The first step before running the model is uploading statistics and exposure data. There are two ways of importing data into the capital model: from the browser and from the task scheduler. The Upload Statistics and Upload Exposures main menu tabs allow you to import files from your browser. Using the task scheduler, all tasks can be scheduled to run automatically, either just once at a specific date and time or repetitively at the same time of day. This feature is particularly useful if one needs to run a calculation every day. Using the browser here, we are uploading a portfolio of fixed-rate bonds. After the statistics and exposure data are uploaded, a model option set needs to be created. This allows users to specify the modeling choices used in the simulations in a flexible way. The main menu tabs on the left shows a list of possible model option categories. Some examples of the choices are the number of Monte Carlo replications, simulation horizon, reporting currency, confidence levels for value at risk, and expected shortfall calculations, marginal value at risk methodology, correlation structure, and transition matrices. After selecting the model options, the final step is to create a portfolio selection set. This allows users to specify which exposures to include in the calculation. One can select by exposure ID or by other characteristics like exposure type, currency, country, industry, account, obligor name, and obligor type. Now, we are ready to run a simulation. We choose the model options and portfolio selections and click Run Simulation. All results from the previous runs are saved in the database and can be reached using the Analysis Charts and Analysis Statistics menu tabs. One can see the value at risk and expected shortfall metrics at the portfolio level, as well as broken down by exposures, account, currency, country, industry, or obligor. Also, the capital model provides useful charts which shows the portfolio distribution, exposures that have the largest losses, and risk-return trade-off. Capital model is designed to accommodate multiple group accounts and user accounts. Each group contains its own separate set of statistics, exposure, and results data. So, users from one group do not have access to any records of any other group.
As we have seen, the Risk Control Capital Model is easy to use and highly flexible. It allows the users to run the model with different options. One can calculate risk metrics such as value at risk or expected shortfall over horizons ranging from 10 days to 30 years. It also yields the marginal metrics of individual exposures and subportfolios. The model supports a wide range of exposure types, including loans, bonds, single-name credit derivatives, and structured products. Structured products are carefully modeled with detailed specifications of cash flow waterfalls, interest rate, and collateral triggers. Therefore, capital model may be used for the valuation or rating of securitizations, as well as the risk analysis of such exposures.
We hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like more information, please do not hesitate to get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.